dry skin. You see that she has dry skin because it doesn't bounce light. And I'll be applying creamy foundation by RMK in a very thin layer just to protect the skin. This is a color 202 and it is seriously hydrating. You'll see. Girls, in Slovenia we have a saying that ladies should be treated with gloves, which means that they should be respected and honored. So from now on, this is my white glove to serve my lovely Advise My Style models. To be honest guys, this foundation slightly sits in lines. It's not that moisturizing as for example Touche Eclat by Yves Saint Laurent or Armani Luminous Silk. Ciao Chocolinas! Welcome in Advise My Style. Today I'm doing Matea Maya's makeup because she's an intuitive consultant, so a consultant for intuition, and I'll ask her a couple of questions so she'll be able to help you out as well. You guys requested, we deliver. You see, this is a small, quite hooded eye here, so I need to make it really dry on top, close it, by applying this By Terry's hyaluronic powder. This stuff is so dry that it will keep the eye dry for a whole day. I want her lovely blue eyes to pop. Therefore I'm applying Zoeva's freshly toasted eyeshadow in this triangle here. Look, just the outer corner. Tap, tap, tap on. And I really need to be careful because her eyelid goes over the lower part. So it's better for you to look down when you're doing this, that you don't get an eyeshadow all over the lower part. I absolutely adore Zoeva's eyeshadows, and it's written on them that they're selected with love. So look at this, freshly toasted on the lower part. Look up, 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 up. Because the eye is so hooded here that it's best if I concentrate the eyeshadow on the lower part. I'll open it up, look in a camera. And my second Zoeva palette, this is Rose Gold. Close it, that I apply on the inner part. It's sort of a salmon color, you know, like a fish. That will bring her eyes totally forward. And with hooded eyes it's like this. They don't show when she opens an eye, you know, this color won't show that much, but you need to think that you blink a lot, and this is what people notice. When you outside, when you talk to people, this is what people really notice, and you look more made up. I especially concentrate the color because it bounces light. It's a shimmery color, this rose gold. Here, in the dot, this will bounce the light and the light will look, the eye will look more open. This is a square face shape, but I'll contour it in the next video because you're getting Maya again for a night out makeup. But this time I'm just applying peachy pink Yves Saint Laurent's Cream de Blush. This is a number 1. Here on the temple of the forehead and down the cheekbone. Tap it, don't drag it because otherwise will make her skin get red because it's slightly reddish. We don't want to take foundation off. When Maya talks, she tends to push this up, you know. I tend to talk this way as well. Therefore, the eyebrows started to be downturned, like this, here. And we'll add them here and here on the upper part to lift it. It's almost impossible to restructure eyebrows so that they would look natural, you know, just with powder, if they're really thin, like this. You can restructure them for a night out makeup. I'll show you how to do it, but that stuff then looks really fake from a close angle. Look, Touche Eclat, my favorite friend. That's my makeup friend. My makeup BFF. Put it under the eyes because this will moisturize, but you mustn't go in the eye. When the skin is so dry, this stuff could really go in a crease. Therefore, we just leave it here on this part. Tap it, tap it, tap it on. I'm not dragging it because I would put it in creases. Maya brought her natural cosmetics. I'm not such a fan of natural cosmetics, but you know, let's try this. It's a Benecos Natürlich Schön Natural Lip Gloss. Yeah, you know, natürlich. Let's stay natural with Benecos Natürlich Schön Natural Mascara. Maximum volume. Look down. Look. Down. Natural cosmetics, you see? But it has a quite a lot of scent. Smells. It smells quite natural. Do you know what? It's quite a cool mascara. I like it. It's not clumpy. It's really nice. The color is lovely. My question is just if it stays long. Does it stay long?
Long enough.
Long enough. See? No gym with it, but you can go to work. It's a light brown mascara, guys. You know, she's so pale, she's so fair, she's so blonde that if she applies black, she looks totally night out. I want to give her a bit more color, therefore I'm applying Les Saharian Yves Saint Laurent just down where the sun would hit her. So the sun would hit her here, a bit on the temples of the forehead, down the nose and down the chin lots of times, and here on the cheek, just to give her a bit more color.